it's Ian with Eagle Business Credit. Every year in the United States, over 600,000 new startup businesses are formed. That's an amazing number, but equally amazing, unfortunately, is that it's proven that about a quarter of those probably won't make it through their first year. And of the ones that do, within 5 years, another half may fall by the wayside. So how can you protect yourself from becoming one of those statistics if you're contemplating getting into business? Here's some thoughts. First of all, and I think I've talked about this before, have a business plan. If you haven't sat down and looked at what you're trying to do, then you won't succeed. You have to have a plan. And it's very important not only to hold yourself accountable to make sure that you are going off in the right direction, but also if you're looking for financing. Typically a bank may not touch a small startup business, but even if you are able to get a bank facility, they will want to see what your plans are. You definitely have to get your cash flow in order. Most of these businesses, typically over half that fail in the first year, cite the lack of cash flow as the reason why they could not keep the doors open. And obviously factoring is a great source of working capital for a new start business. I would encourage you to look into it because factors are not interested so much in your personal credit or the strength of your balance sheet, which typically in a new start may be weak. They're interested in what you're about, who your customers are, and where you're looking to grow your business. And it really will accelerate your cash flow if you look at factoring as a solution. And it's great for a startup and growing business. Another thing is, if you've done enough market research on the product or service that you're selling. Hopefully, if you've done a detailed business plan, you've already covered that. But otherwise, you need to look into what are your marketing objectives and where are you going to start promoting your product. Do you need help with SEO, online presence? All those things, again, form part of those challenges. But most of all, get the right people. Get quality, talented people that are going to help drive your business in the first few years of your operation. It's key. If you don't have energetic people that are focused on the goals that you've set, you may not succeed. So, some thoughts. Again, we'd love to talk to anybody that's contemplating starting out a business, that's maybe looking for financing solutions. Give us a call.